Getting in using purchase bar on Klarna. In this video, you are going to learn how to get and use purchase bar on Klarna. The process is very simple. You just need to know few things. First of all, let's talk about what is a purchase bar. So purchase bar is actually your spending limit that you can do with the Klarna. So let me tell you one thing, how to increase it. Increasing it is actually pretty easy. You just need to know that keep on buying stuff whenever you buy stuff and pay your installments on time without any delay. What it does is it actually builds a reputation in your Klarna account, and at the very end it starts increasing your purchase bar. Afterwards you can buy the most expensive things without any problem. So that's pretty much simple. That's how you guys can purchase bar on Klarna. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.